sitting up next to the
Welcome,
pipe.
folks.
Oh, we got a runner.
There's a runner.
A groundhog runner.
There's a runner. Welcome to the 4th episode. There's a runner. A nice little rodent coming across. There it is, a rodent. You can see him. We got a runner. I hear bees getting close to me, so all the nature wants some of me. You can see him moving right there. There's a bird too. Where'd he go? There, you see the bird. Yes. You see the bird. He's so hard. Where'd that little bastard go? That little rodent. Where'd he go? That little runner. He must have took off. There's where the deer kept lost himself at the bridge trail. Yeah, that was awesome. Where'd he go, folks? There's the shed. Hello, Mr. Burrow. What are you doing sitting there? How's it going? Oh, looks like we have a runner, folks. He ran off. As soon as the camera clicked on, he's like, nope, this show ain't gonna be long. And he's right. That's it. That's it. So it wasn't no deer. It was, we got a runner. Even though when the Pirates played, it wasn't no Henry. Yes. But, oh my gosh. So that's it. Yes, we got our runner. Well, thanks for watching this very short episode. The sun's getting in my eyes. I think that, and we'll see you here the next time. Yes. Yes. Look at all that nature that surrounds the road places X establishment. Yes. Goodbye.